I want to share a really profound experiment that I read about many years ago. There were astronauts that were given what's called Prism glasses. And when they put these Prism glasses onto the astronauts, after 3 days, their brain completely rewired itself. Now, these Prism glasses that they put onto the astronauts literally flipped reality upside down. So when they put these glasses on, everything was upside down in the world around them. As I said, after 72 hours, their brain had rewired itself to see reality the way that it believed it should be. Now, there's a lot of information about that we were able to glean from neuroscience, but what I want you to understand is that our beliefs will override reality and show us a reality that we believe that we should be seeing. That's how profound your beliefs are. We see this in a psychological condition called Normcy Bias. Normcy Bias is a bias of the brain to overlay reality based on what it thinks it should be seeing. We see this in the most extreme cases with people that go through truly traumatic events, people that have been found in plane crashes, still strapped to their seat, dead bodies all around them, and they're sitting there reading a magazine. Now, this is an adaptive process for our brain and nervous system to be able to cope with traumatic events like that, which is supremely intelligent. That's quite phenomenal. But what we need to take from that is that we need to understand that our brain can override physical reality and tell us stories that reinforce our beliefs and keep us trapped in the matrix of the mind. There was a famous psychologist and neuroscientist by the name of Dr. Bernie Siegel, and Dr. Bernie Siegel did research with people with multiple personality disorders. But truth be told, is we've all got multiple personalities based on different scenarios and situations that we go into. Now, what I do want you to think about here is that with Dr. Bernie Siegel research, he found that people that went into a multiple personality, some of them would go into a personality, and when they shifted personality, the color of their eyes would change. Moles and skin tags on their body were there in one personality, and in the flick of a switch, those moles and freckles and skin tags were gone. They could be a type 2 diabetic, even a type 1 diabetic in one personality. And in the next, they would do blood tests, no type 1 diabetes. No type 2 diabetes. I want you to understand how profound this is. And if you're interested to do research on Dr. Bernie Siegel, you can find his books, you can find that information out there on the internet. It's all accessible, and you will read some truly profound accounts of how a personality shift would shift the chemistry of the body, which shows the power of our brain to affect our body. This is so important that you understand this.